This conference will now be recorded.
Hello friends, welcome to bispsolutions.com. My name is Sumit and here I'm with my new video in Python machine learning. And the topic for this video is how to create a QR code scanner using OpenCV in Python. So OpenCV is an open source library, or you can call it as a package, which is available with Python, and it is mainly used to perform operations like to perform face recognition or to identify the images from a picture or to identify the moving vehicles images based on their license numbers, license number plates, or from a web camera. So apart from that, we can also create applications through which we can read the QR codes or the barcodes which are available on the various products packaging or at the back of the books, or there are a lot of places nowadays you will find out the QR codes or the barcodes which are available almost on all the products packages. So basically QR codes is a scripted codes which contains the detailed information about that particular product. So we decided to prepare this video so that you will get an idea how can we create a QR code or how can you create a barcode scanner using Python with the help of OpenCV open source library. So for using this to work on this, I have got a couple of barcode examples. As you can see, these are my barcodes or the QR codes I have got. Now, for example, if I open this QR code, I can only see this QR code, but what kind of information this QR code is holding, or if I open this barcode example, so here we have got a barcode and some QR codes also. So what kind of information these QR codes contains, I would like to read them and display them with the help of a Python program. So let's start initiating that. So I just create a new, I'll just open my IDLE instance, create a new file, and this file I'm going to save in the same directory. So let me save this file in same directory over here. So I'll just switch to my F drive barcode scanner and I'll give this name as let's say barcode example. No, that's the barcode image, something like that. Barcode image, and it's a Python file. So this file gets created here. To work with this, a package is required or an open source package is required, need to be downloaded, that is called PIZBar. So I'll just import that package, and that package is from PIZBar import PIZBar. So if you are using Python 3. The Python higher version or latest version, let's suppose I'm using here Python version 3.7.1. So we can only use PyZBar, but those who are working with the old version of Python or like the Python 2.7 version or Python version 2, they can use Python ZBar also. So, but here in my case, because my Python version is 3.7.1, so that's why I'm using PyZBar. And now I'll import arg parse. So this arg parse, these are some necessary packages. This is to parse the arguments. Then there is one more package because our requirement is to perform this operation using OpenCV library. So it is mandatory to import CV2 package. So I import the package. Now we would be constructing the argument parser and parse the arguments. So I create a new argument parser and arg parse, and this argument parser will help us to read the argument or to parse the argument. So parser, parser, argument parser, and in this argument parser, I'll add an argument which we are going to get from our command prompt, which the user need to pass from command prompt. So -I, comma, image, comma, required is equal to true, help is equal to, I'll simple write path to input. And now we are going to parse this. So args is equal to vers ap dot parse underscore args. And this args is a, so we are parsing it now. Now we need to load the image using cv2. So image is equal to cv2 dot imread, and whatever arguments we are passing, so from those arguments it will read the image file, and that image file will be stored into images. Now we need to find the barcodes from the image and decode each of the barcodes, because our objective is to read all the barcodes or all these scanner, all the QR codes. So I create a new instance of barcode is equal to PIZBar dot decode image. So it will automatically find out all the barcodes which are available within your image. And because we are not sure about the numbers of codes are available, so I'll just do one thing in barcodes, and we would be extracting the bounding box location to the barcodes, and we'll draw a box surrounding to the barcodes on each and every image. So we are not sure the height and width, so x comma y comma width comma height. So this will identify the location. Barcodes dot rectangle, it will automatically draw a barcode, and cv2 dot, it will put a rectangle, it will draw a rectangle around the barcodes. So cv2 dot rectangle image comma x comma y comma x plus width comma y plus height, and the color will be 0 comma 0 comma 255. This you can control, and that's the border of it. Then we reuse the barcode data as a byte object. So if you want to draw it on the image, we need to convert it to the string first, because a barcode contains the information in the byte. So we need to read the barcode data and store this into information, store it as a string. So barcode dot data dot decode, and we would be converting into UTF-8. We are converting into string, and barcode type is equal to barcode dot type. It should be in small. So make sure it's a case sensitive language, so whatever you are writing, that would be in a proper. Now we need to add a text also. So text is equal to, I would be adding a text, or you can say we are drawing a text just next to it. Dot format barcode data comma barcode type, and we need to identify the font. So cv2 dot put text, and that text would be around image. So image comma text comma x comma y minus 10, and we would be customizing it. So cv2 dot, I'm just adding a font underscore. This font you can control by using other different fonts you can use, comma, that's the intensity, comma 0, comma 0, comma 255, comma 2. And finally, we are going to read it. So I'm going to show this. I'm going to CV2 dot. So this is to show the output image. So CV2 dot I am show image, comma image, and CV2 dot wait key for the user to end that particular code or particular output. So this is how we are going to work on this. Now, very quickly, let me uh, work with this. And what we are going to do is we would be going to execute this. And for execution, we need to write a command prompt. So from command prompt, we are going to start this. And make sure before moving on to that, make sure that whatever you define that is correct. So just check it once again. I'll just save it now and we are good to start. So what I'm doing, first of all, I will switch to my command prompt. So it should be an F drive, so I change to F drive, and I'm changing my directory to barcode scanner, and the file name is barcode image.py. That's the Python file. So this we need to execute, and to execute this I pass a command python barcode underscore image.py. We are passing an argument image and file name. So I want to read the information from this QR code. So that is QR code 3. All right, QR code 3.png. And when I execute this, as you can see, it open that file, it read that barcode, and the information associated with this barcode is that it is providing the information. It is telling that this barcode is for dhanyaedutech.com. So it's a QR code, and if I'm scanning this QR code through your mobile phone app also, it would be showing you that okay, this QR code is for dhanyaedutech.com. In similar manner, if I read another barcode, let's suppose I change this to code 2. I'll just change this to code2.png. It reads the barcode, and so it not only read the barcode, it is capable to read QR codes also. In the previous example, we read the QR code, and this is reading the barcode. So it reads the barcode, it decodes the barcode, and whatever information it is showing over there. So this is another way, or we can use barcode example.png. So I use barcode example.png, and when I execute this, it is showing me information. So that's the way how we can read the barcodes or QR codes. All right, chat.png, and so because this sorry, it's chart, not chat, chart, chart.png, and it is showing some information. So a line is drawn, but there is no information associated with this barcode, this QR code. And if I read this QR code, so we have various, so QR code.png, and it is showing dhanyaedutech.com. So you have various tools available online through which you can create QR codes for your organization, for your app, and use them. So that's all in this video. I hope this video will help you a lot in creating QR codes for your organizations, for your clients. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye. So if you have any information, you can post your comments in comment box. Thank you once again. Bye.